What if I told you financial freedom isn't just for the rich? With just a few smart moves, you can start building wealth, even if you're starting from scratch. Let's look at the steps you can start taking today to achieve your freedom tomorrow. Before anything else, ask yourself, what does financial freedom mean to you? Is it retiring early, working part-time, or traveling without worrying about your bank balance? You need a freedom number, the amount of money or passive income you'd need to live comfortably without relying on a job. There are plenty of tools like fire calculators or retirement calculators to help you reverse engineer what your number is. Once you have a number, you're not just saving randomly, you're working toward freedom. Once you have your number, you need to put a plan into place to achieve it. Traditional budgeting can be stressful. Instead, try the Antibudget, made popular by financial expert Paula Pant. Here's how it works. Decide how much you want to save or invest each month. The tools in the first step will give you this number. Automatically set that amount aside as soon as you get paid. This way, you are moving towards your freedom without thinking about it. And then, spend the rest guilt-free. It's simple, stress-free, and perfect for people who hate spreadsheets. A common myth is that investing is only for the rich, but you don't need thousands to invest. Platforms like Raise in Australia or Acorns in the US let you invest your spare change from everyday purchases. It sounds small, but over time, this adds up thanks to compounding. Even better, many of these apps offer educational tools that teach you about index funds, ETFs, and market trends as you invest. Our next step sounds like a dream. Do you want to build wealth without thinking about it? If so, automation is your best friend. Set up auto transfers for everything, including savings, investments, and debt repayments. When it's automatic, you eliminate the temptation to skip. As Ramit Sethi says, automated finances are guilt-free finances. By removing the human temptation from our financial journey, the numbers can perform even better than we may have planned for. A powerful strategy that you can begin with today is the No Spend Challenge. Here is how it works. Pick a time frame, a weekend, a week, or even 30 days, where you don't spend money on anything non-essential. That means no takeout, no online shopping, no coffee runs, just your basic needs, like rent, groceries, and bills. It helps reset your spending habits and shows you how much of your money disappears on autopilot. To stay accountable, make sure you define your reason and goal for this challenge, and how you do for each day. You'll likely save more than expected, and build the kind of discipline that fast-tracks your journey to financial freedom. Everyone has heard of an emergency fund. But forget emergency funds for a second. Build a freedom fund. This is a stash of money that gives you options. It gives you the freedom to quit a toxic job. Or you could even take a career break to avoid burnout or realign your life goals. This fund can be used to start a side hustle. Start with $500, then aim to continue to build your freedom fund. It's not just about money, it's about power. Financial freedom isn't a dream, it's a decision. Pick just one strategy from this video and start today. Once you have achieved that, pick another one. Financial freedom is built one step at a time. But have you wondered how the wealthy take those steps? Check out this video here to learn how the wealthy handle their money.